ever been talking and suddenly you get the hiccups? Hic. But why does this happen? To understand hiccups, we need to look inside our body. When we breathe, our lungs move air in and out. Below the lungs is a muscle called the diaphragm. The diaphragm helps control our breathing. Sometimes the diaphragm suddenly tightens. This pulls air quickly into your lungs. And that quick movement makes the famous sound, hic. Hiccups can happen if you eat or drink too fast. Sometimes laughing too much can cause hiccups. Even spicy food can trigger them. Your brain and nerves help control the diaphragm. Sometimes those signals get a little mixed up. Many people try holding their breath to stop hiccups. Others try drinking water slowly. These tricks may help relax the diaphragm. And suddenly, the hiccups disappear. Hiccups are usually harmless and go away on their own. The human body is full of funny surprises. Stay curious and keep exploring science.